powerful home remedies for acne overnight. Goodbye to acne and remove pimples. Remove pimples natural home remedy. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to remove pimples. We need those ingredients to make this recipe. 1 teaspoon of baby oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of rose water, 'Now mix all the ingredients very well. And 1/2 tomato. And leave it on for 5 minutes. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.